I'm in Wishes.
And this is a new unboxing. So this, I decided to get this because Alice is obsessed with stationery. I suppose we both are really. Yeah. There's a company called ohdear.com. Now I don't know whether they ship internationally, so I'll have to look into that and I'll put that in the notes. But they do like a mystery box. So it's a mystery box. I think I paid £15 for it because I got a discount on uni days, and there's over £32 worth of stuff in it. So yeah.
I am so excited.
And the box says illustrated for life.
What's it say on the bottom? www.ohdear.com.
Yeah.
There you go.
So we'll put details down below. But it seemed like a really good site, and they did some really nice different stationery, and there were some cards that had a bit of an adult theme to them, and it did say on the description of this that there could be some adult themed items in it. So if there is, we'll obviously edit those out because we're a family channel and we don't want to offend anybody. So if there is a bit of a jump, then obviously that's what it is, because we've had to edit something out.
Okay.
So without further ado.
Okay, right, we need to just close this. So, oh my god, I'm so excited! Okay, so the first thing we got, what is this? Is this wrapping paper? Oh my god, it's wrapping paper! Ah! Oh, exciting! Okay, so it's got like rabbits and ducks and cats and mice and
bears.
And bears. Lions and tigers and bears on mine.
And
dogs.
polar bears. It's all different animals, basically.
Yeah.
Just in really sort of cute design.
Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Oh god.
That's different. Ooh, what can I get? Ooh. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Ooh, that's nice.
I was just looking at one of these. I was looking at like getting one of them.
You see, that's no good for you because you don't have meetings. So it's an agenda book. You can see that. And inside it's got objectives, appointment time, and doodles.
That's so cute. That's good.
And it says "Oh dear" on the back. I like the design of things. I ordered some things, I bought some things, and then got this mystery box. But they're just really different designs, and they feel like I need to look into it, but I feel like they're maybe recycled or more environmentally friendly.
Like organic.
Yeah.
I love the designs on them. Mum got me a notebook that's got like a girl that's just laid down and it just says "Nope" on the top of it. And I love it so much.
Not gonna do anything today.
I wanted the pencil case. I was looking I was just scrolling through the website for about 5 minutes and just trying to see what I wanted.
The triple pack of books that says
it's like doodles, scribble
and ramblings.
Yeah, ramblings.
Which I thought were quite good. Because you know it's like you just start doodling stuff down, and before you know it, you've got a page full of doodles.
Yeah.
So.
Oh my god, I was looking at this as well. It's a keyring, but it's a little bug, and it's got a cape on. It's so adorable. I'll try and get it out and. Oh my god! I was looking.
I was looking at that as well. This is ideal to have at the side of your phone, because especially like when I'm at work, the amount of notes I take is just crazy. So to have just as a little jotter at side, it's one of those that you rip off at the top. That's quite cute. Is that I like the little design on it with a little house and trees, and they're all made in the UK as well. But yeah, just really different designs on them.
So that's oh no, so that's that is so cute.
It is.
Oh my gosh, I love this book so much. Are you actually having a literally? I was about to put this in my cart because I wanted it so much. I was like, do you think I can get the ruler? Yeah, so it's a metal ruler.
It's like a gold colour though, isn't it? It's not like a normal silvery design. And again, it's ideal size to have in your pencil case as well.
Pop in your pencil case.
That's nice.
This is the kind of thing that you'd, because I'm GCSE year.
Yeah.
It's like stationery.
Obsessed with stationery.
Us.
What else is there? Oh, stickers.
I was looking at them as well.
It's there's different A4, 4 A6 sheets of illustrated stickers.
Bagsy them.
And
I'm a
it
massive
says,
sticker fan.
I hate you the least. Antisocial butterfly. I'm only here to pet your dog. Unhappy camper. Merci. And there's a cat with a cloud above the head. And I made it with my bum.
It's a spider.
It says, I made it with my bum.
That's funny.
That's cute.
Okay.
I like that.
The last thing. Oh, it's a card. That's funny.
It says, reptilify. Oh, ways to upset your duvet.
Style, not upset.
Ways to upstyle your duvet. Reptilify, a lovely belt, nice tassely tassels, and another 3 duvets.
That's funny.
Just a really random card, but just something that you can send to your mate just to make them smile, because sometimes in a day you just need a smile, and I think something like that just is quite amusing. So yeah, that was really good.
Left? Oh, we've got a pencil.
We've got a pencil.
Oh my god, I want this. It's a pencil and it says on point.
I really like this stuff. It's just so nice. I'll just love. I mean, I love stationery as well.
Same.
And like I say, I'll show you the notepads that I got.
Oh my gosh, the pens! I want the entire collection of the pens.
They do a really thin pen called Le Pen, and it's one of the really
thin ones.
Yeah, I don't know that you can see.
Have you written with it yet?
No, not yet.
It's beautiful.
Right.
Actual beauty.
And then I got a double pack of notepad, which are really cute. They're only thin. Yeah, they're only thin, but again, just handy to have, just to jot notes down, because I'm forever, you get a phone call and you need to write a note down, you can never find a piece of paper, so yeah, little notepads like that are ideal for me. So, I'm opening my notepads.
Yeah, I just wanted to see
whether it was lined or...
what the inside of it was.
Why didn't you just go like that? Why didn't you just go like that?
What, damage the book?
What have you done?
I've done nothing. Blaming me for everything.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
Oh, it's squared.
Ah. Wonder if this one's lined. Oh no,
No,
it's
blank.
Ooh, I like that. It's nice, sort of a rustic feel to it.
So this one's squared.
That's nice.
Oh my gosh, I love this place.
And they smell nice as well, because sometimes when, I know that sounds really bizarre, but when you get recycled paper, I get a lot of mail from a company called Early Excellence, and they do a lot of advertising for nursery furniture and things like that. And they send their brochures, and it's all on recycled paper. But you can always tell when you've got one, even without looking at the envelope, because the smell is horrific. You open the envelope and it's like really... I don't know whether it's a chemical smell or what, but it's just got a really not nice smell to it. So I quite like this. It smells like wood. So, yeah.
I love this so much.
So, yeah, that was a really good box. I like that.
What was your favourite thing from the box?
I quite like the card, actually.
Yeah,
no,
I like the
think
card.
the notepad. Oh, and the stickers as well.
I'm having the stickers.
Oh, no, there's 4 sheets, so you can have 2 sheets. Now I'll have 4 sheets. 4 sheets?
You'll have 4 sheets.
1 sheet? 1 sheet, plenty.
Yeah, 1 sheet's plenty for you.
I like the notepad as well, so I'll have the notepads. And the agenda book, because I can use that for my staff meetings. Ha, 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 ha. When I'm telling everybody off. No.
Well, I can use my pencil and my ruler in my maths exams, and I can use this to put
Will you
on
be
my
allowed to
memory
use your
stick.
metal one? Do they not make you use a plastic one? When we were at school, we used to have clear plastic, and you weren't allowed to have any writing on the pencils. In fact, they gave you a pencil.
Oh no, they tell us off if they have to give you a pencil, because as invigilator, he's got a bright red face. He walks around like this. And he goes, "Why didn't Santa buy you a calculator for Christmas?" It's probably one of the funniest things in the world. And he sat there, everyone's in silence going like this as he's like shouting about calculators and Santa.
Yeah, they used to give us a pencil. We used to have a compass, a protractor, a set square, and I don't even think we had calculators then, because I don't think we did calculator papers then. But they brought the pencils round because they didn't want any writing on it, all just in case, you know, like on point, that's really going to tell you anything about maths or science or whatever.
My friend Zara's got a pencil that's got times tables on. And then Charlotte's got one with like French vocabulary. So she went into a French exam with a French vocabulary pencil. She had to like change it.
Oh, I'm not surprised.
Yeah. I like this really
Nothing like cheating.
I like this.
So yeah, so we'll post all the details down below of the company, the link and everything. And yeah, it was a really good box. Might buy another one of those, but maybe not straight away because they just sell. I think it's a small and a large one, but there's no sort of theming or anything. So I'm assuming that if I got another one, that it might be the same maybe. But I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But Never Grow Up boxes have started again. So we'll be looking at getting another one of those, which that'd be really good. So yeah, that's it.
And for now,
TTFN.